Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the moon phase test filter or effect in CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps, and to use the effect, you can just click on the plus icon at the bottom. And in here, just click on the effects option and then search for the moon phase test by clicking on the search column in here, and then type in moon phase. And after that, you can just click on the video icon in here to start using the effect. Then insert your birth date and also your couple birth date in here. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that, just click on this button, this red button, to do the test, and it will be show up like this. And if you like with the result, you can just click on the check icon in here. Then your moon phase filter or effect will be ready, and you can just click on next to upload it to your TikTok. Okay, so that's how you can use the moon phase text effect on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.